Hi there, welcome to another episode in which I'm gonna show you the process of disassembling the cross table and my approach to redesign my mini mill to become a CNC. At the very beginning I will be removing the column and trapezoidal screws, which are not good for CNC control due to high backlash. I will change them to high wind ball screws, which are almost backlash free. As I mentioned in the previous episode, it is very important to me that the machine has the smallest possible size, hence the need to use timing belts, which will allow me to set the motors in such a way you can see on the screen. I bought a CNC control kit to be able to immediately calculate the timing belts and select the right screws. To correctly select the length and width of a timing belt, I use Design Power, which is free and very easy to use. If you want to see a video on how to use this program, just leave me a comment. Here is a quick tip on how to calculate the tractive force of a screw by knowing the motor torque. And here are my final results. In the next episode I will redesign the Z-axis and replace the spindle drive with a V-belt. Please consider subscribing my channel and see you in the next episode.